Hi there. Could you tell me what kind of ringtone you have on your phone?
It's very classic. Vienna Donau.
The Donauwalzer or?
Can I show you?
Yeah, sure.
Or I have many ringtones in my handy.
Have they been on the phone or did you upload them yourself?
I have loaded down from internet. This one.
Okay, I think we got the idea. So that's a funny version of the Donauwalzer then.
Yes.
Okay, so there one more question.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the reason you chose that ringtone? What does it mean for you?
Because I'm living here in Vienna. I like this song. It's very
Typical.
typical. Yeah.
Okay,
That's why.
thank you.
You're welcome.